Good morning, guys. This is Alan here, and today we'll be looking at ES, all right? So right here, this little area here, I have on the, I'm gonna hide this real quick. I have this nice fair value gap there, right? From here to here. And I'm just watching price right now. I took my entry up here, right? I'm putting my stop above this candle here, which if it does go up there, it will give me a little worry, right? But in the meantime, just watching that right now. So as you can see, about the hour, show you guys really quick. Boom. So partials there, saw some liquidity there, right? The 50% of this range here. Looking for this to come down, tax loss liquidity resting here. And yeah, we'll see how they want to play out. So I'm on a lower time frame now. All right, there you go. That's what I like to see. Nice down candle there. I want to continue to see it push lower. I want to see if we can move through this low here with ease, cutting them through. Cut through these lows here, and then take out this low here. Yeah, PM session just started too. So we'll be looking at this to continue moving lower, right? This will be first target here, partials, and then final TP up there. So partial here, second partial, and TP. And that's what we'll be looking for. So price trading back up right now. Okay. Looking at this. Price move there, took out this low, retracement a little bit. Want to see this candle here, support price going lower. Really want to see it, push lower for price. And then we'll take partials. Ideally underneath this, but in about 5 to 10 handles, I'll take partials as well. So like it doesn't have to get down here, it just moves down a little bit more. I'm more than happy to take some partials out. Right, so waiting for that. Okay, price running higher. That takes out this low here. Yeah, I really want them to see if they can take out these lows. These lows, especially for lunch lows, right? Lunch highs are even taken out. So price trading higher right now. Looking for it to come lower, but taking out this high here is not what I like to see. Let's go on 5. So they could trade up to this top of this range here to fill in this imbalance right here or fair value gap. Ideally, obviously I wanted to see him just kind of leave that and just run lower. Be very ideal, but markets are always not always going to be super clean, so we'll be waiting. So there are relatively equal highs up here. So if it wants to stab up here, takes this out, close underneath this, then I'll be happy to see that. Yeah. Yeah, right there. So see price resting right there. Right. Once an encroachment of this, boom. Yeah. Just a mental note that is, consequent encroachment for that fair value gap. Wanted to see price kind of keep trade below that and stay below that, right? But I said this is the high there. It could, if it wanted to, run up to this high and then drop lower, which definitely can happen, right? Mm-hmm. And also see the opposing PDA right here looking to support price as well, hopefully. Okay, nice. Want to continue to see a push lower. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So we have this here. Just move that. Just a little too many things on my chart. So constant encroachment right there. Want to see price trade through that and find some resistance there, right? Which is a-okay. You looking for price support and moving lower. Okay, one. Okay. Now I really want to see displacement through this low here, right? There's the fair value gap here for bullish bias, but I don't think that is going to keep going higher, right? Unless, I'm incorrect and it wants to continue higher, then off it goes. All right, so this kind of here, tag this up there. I'm looking for it to come down here, take out these lows, and then eventually target the lunch lows right there. Hmm. Okay, that's the high left fair value gap right there. Tagged. Still watching to potentially move lower. All right. So high has been taken out very, very aggressively, looking solid. Trade up into this imbalance here, along with, like I said, the hour fair value gap is now filled. Now I want to see this really, really animated go lower. But let's see. See. Need to see this low get taken out for sure. If we want to see this continue going lower. Within like the next three candles, I want to see this look get taken. If it's not taken, I'll collapse the trade and we'll just call it a day. Oh, I mean, not call it. We'll just wait for a little for more information. Yeah, don't like that at all. But let's see it. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So I don't like this because bullish PD arrays are being respected when I'm looking for it to go lower, right? So if that's the case, then I may be on offside. I might have to close the trade, right? I might stop resting above 4,027 there. Boom. Looking for that. And then obviously since the resting at 97, yeah. So this is what I'm looking for currently. The markets would kind of pan out for us. Either it wants to continue going lower or it wants to continue going higher. So they still have about like 3 minutes trading up into through this Ferrari gap now, which is not good at all. We don't want to see that, right? We kind of want to see if it really wants to go lower, it has to break down. Hmm. Trading up into this here. Stop loss resting above that. You read two legal highs right here. It's not ideal as well. But like I said, I do want to see it come lower. Still relatively confident that it wants to go lower, but like I said, have to see if the market support that idea. It doesn't matter how confident I am in price wanting to come down here. It's is does it really want to move like at this time, you know? So I should like I said, I'm still watching this. Filled that imbalance nicely. Want to see price start tanking lower if it really wants to defend this high here. All right. Need to see displacement away. Need to see move away with energy, as what ICT says. All right. This low right there is ideal for it to come through. If it didn't come through, we're back on track. Yeah. So I do think there's a lot of liquidity built up here. These lows right here. So I am all for shorting this to go lower, right? Okay. Nicely done. Nicely done. So far, so good. Hmm. Need to see this logo taken out. I want to see big movement lower. Leave this imbalance there. Leave that fair value gap there. Run through it, and then you can retrace back into it, and then continue if it wants to do that. But at the moment, right now, like I said, just still watching it. Okay. Price still moving lower, which is good. I really, really want to see some displacement through that low. I just want to see go right through it. I did feel this, which is okay. Not preferable, but okay, because we're looking for this something to come back up to tag in and to send this lower. So if it doesn't give us that, like I said, it's okay. We'll either have to wait for price to move lower first, and then either give us some retracement or no retracement at all, just drop lower, consolidate, and then continue going lower. That's okay as well. I want to see price trade through that, like I said. Really trade through that low right there, aggressively. Trade through this low, trade through this imbalance or fair value gap, and then maybe even take out this low here, and then we shall watch it, see what it wants to do. Nice, nice, very good, very good. So we see that good displacement now, and you know, so like I said, I want to see. I'm moving my stop. I'm gonna stop there. So about 30 pips. I mean, 30 ticks. So about seven. Is it seven? Like, yeah, 7.5 handles, right? Yeah. So seven handles, which is what I want to see risk, and I'm taking it down here as my TPs. So this is what I'm willing to risk. Right. I left my stop loss higher just because I wasn't sure until I wanted to see something, which is this. So, oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Big movement lower. I like it. I like it. I wanted to see it continue going down, right? This is really nice. This is very ideal. Yeah, looking for this to really be animated and go lower. I'm adjusting price move as we are watching this right now. Okay. Consequent encroachment right here of this fair value gap, right? Still there. I do see a nice little fair value gap here if I wanted to run into and then trade lower, right? But ideally want to see these two down candles hold price lower. Ideally, I want to see it kind of push it lower, take out some of these lows here, take out this low, and then partial here, and then TP out here is what I would like to see, right? Obviously. Mm-hmm. Mm. Loading about one handle right now. Looking for price to trade down into this range first. So really want to see price move lower and run into this range first and then see we can take something off at these levels down here, right? Really want to see one nice move lower, take partials and let the rest run some more. Okay, there we go. Okay. As soon as it says, 50 or 16 to 20 ticks, I'll close. Like I said, really want to see it trade down some more. And then we can get some good partials rolling, close out some partials. And then ultimately, like I said, I want to see them take out these lows down here for New York for lunch lows, ultimately. But let's see how it plays out though. Okay. Tag into the equilibrium a little bit. Looking for this to trade lower, take out this low, trade lower, and then partial out. That should be, or that will be the plan for now. All right. There you go. Okay, rental higher. Not really bothered by that. Looking for these two down cancels to support price going lower. Take out this low, maybe even this low to support price going lower. Right. There you go. Push lower, push lower. Boom, boom. $15 out. As soon as I saw that, took 15 out. Letting the rest run right now. Okay. I just partial on my account as well. Letting price really move right now. Watching them. So areas here is definitely where you want to take partials at, right? And then now adjust my stop even lower. So about 40, 20 right here. 40, 20. To 21 is fine. Yeah. And I'm watching price right now, as I said, to continue moving lower. So I'll take partials out on my other account. Boom. Okay. So I'll partial out on all my accounts, right? Partial on this demo for you guys right now. Partial on my trading accounts. And now I'm watching price. So I adjusted my stop loss to this high. So here we can expect some reaction. Just like I said, it is a level premium. I mean discount, my bad. For price to then, either continue going lower, right? Ignoring this level of premium, short-term premium, or they want to give a little retracement and then take lower. Yeah, but as of right now, this low right here, and these lunch lows right here is what I'm targeting, right? So, yep. Mm. Yeah, it is a little difficult trying to trade on multiple accounts, but you kind of get used to it, right? A little dangerous. You know, let me see. Yeah, got really deep into this discount right here is what I said. I'm expecting this, expecting these two candles to hold price lower, right? I don't really want them to see it, but um anything can really happen. So let's just watch it for now. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Right now, 91, just that. So partial have been taken out already. Now we're just watching price try to get down here. There in the meantime. Um, remember this is on the basis that I am expecting price to go lower, right? Target these lunch lows, target this low here as well. So my next partial will be down here, right? I'll take another 5 out here, take another like 3 out, and the last 2 here, right? That's how I would take partials, right? Like I said, it just really doesn't make sense for not taking partials. Right? I don't know if you guys listen to ICT Space. He always makes sure, to drill that into our heads that, hey, partials always pay 100% of the time, right? Pay yourself, right? Take some leverage off of the trade, whatever even you're risking. If you can't take whatever, if you just have one contract, close the entire trade, right? And then just watch, right? Watch the trade play out, see how it moves, et cetera, right? So, anyways, watching this again, price is really, really animated to go lower, which is what I like to see. And yeah, nice, 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 beautiful move lower. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So watching price go lower here. Mm, okay. Looking for this price here. You see how it doesn't really fill this gap, runs lower, comes back out. I'm looking for this to tank even lower, but we will see. We will see. No rush, no rush. Took partials out already. So even if this trade does come all the way back up and tag this, I'm still in profit. All right. So paying this out. Nice. Closes right there. Just really want to see it get through. Get through this low here. Might partial a little bit out more. Just I do have something to do in about like 40 minutes or so, but I don't want to make this video too long, right? But we want to see price action in live in front of our screen, right? And if you guys are still watching this, congrats to you guys. Hopefully you guys do learn something from this video, right? This is how I look at price, and from my top down, this is what I'm looking for to happen, et cetera, right? So if you guys have any questions, you drop it down in the comments. But yeah, we're looking for this to try to get through lower. Seems like it's kind of being a little sluggish, right? In this level of discount here. I may just take it all out here if I, want to. Um, okay, never mind. It heard me, and it's like you calling the sluggish, and it's proceeding to lower immediately. So let's see if I can get that nicely done. Mhm. So I don't really like how it's kind of just staying here. I mean, it's respecting bearish PD arrays. The up close candles is respecting it to go lower. Um, but it's taking a bit of time to really try to get through that. which is okay, but I prefer it not to spend too much time. I might have to close another five just to be safe on the safer side. Yeah, if it takes out that high, I'm closing another five. Yeah, if it closes out this high, takes out this high here, I'm closing another five. It's either gonna come down here or take out this high and I close five, and then we'll see. Mhm. Yeah, the reason why I'm closing partials above this high here is, I don't really want to see green candles be violated, right? I saw this candle here, comes right into this gap, push price lower. We're looking for this to really push price lower and lower and lower. We don't really want to see up candles get violated, right? We want to just see them continue pushing price lower and lower and lower until the objectives are hit and where they can then distribute their orders. Very simply. But at the moment, seems like it has ideas of its own. It's like it's holding just there, like, oh, I don't really want to go up there yet, but hmm. So you see how many up candles are trying to push higher right now and doesn't still doesn't take out this high. Okay, never mind. Just take out this high. So let's close our partials real quick. Sorry, but yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of up candles that are pushing higher that were not able to take out this candle's high, but finally it did. Right, so I took partials on this. I just closed the full trade on one of my other accounts, and then right now I'm watching it still. I still have a trade on, right? So I have a trade here, and I trade on one more account, and I'm just watching this. So this is the range, right? Trades into level discount as the range. And take your entry here, trades deep into a discount, take partials out, and then just gotta be safe, watching this see. Take out this high, looking for this area here to be respected now, but it doesn't have to. So took partials out, remember? I sent out this high, partials out. And then it could retrace right now, do whatever it wants. I don't really mind it. Like I said, I'm really just watching price right now for it to continue going lower, right? I know this video is going to be a pretty long one, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. And prices here. Seeing price slowly make its way down here. Retrace into this imbalance. Right, nice movement lower. Want to see some dynamic movement. I want to see taking out this low. Boom. Hmm. Yeah, but it takes out this. If there's all these highs here, I'm just gonna collapse my trade. Let's do that. That's four there. Okay, yeah. Goodbye. Yeah, I don't like it when it does this. I'm looking for it to really aggressively run into. Wait, give me a second. If I close up on my account, so I just remembered. Okay, there we go. We're good. Okay, so like I said, I don't I don't like it when it does this. When it comes down here, slows down, tries to go down multiple times and fails. When I see that, to me, I'm like, okay, they're probably gonna retrace this, maybe even send this higher. It could do that, right? Send it higher as in like take out stops. Um, but like I said, when I see them doing stuff like this, I don't really like that, right? They are a level of discount, so they're able to move price back up into level premium or retrace it, take out stops, whatever. But for me, like I said, I'd rather have it just, slowly move in my direction, right? And then be a lot easier to trade with, right? So you can see entry was there, right? As soon as the price stabbed up into it, saw a nice displacement lower, sold 40.15, try to sell it at the constant encroachment, price runs up to constant encroachment, runs higher. I mean, I'm in a little bit of drawdown. How much is this? Like 4.5 handles, like 18 ticks. So that ain't too crazy, right? I think my stop loss was about what originally it was like up here. So and I moved it. But yeah, it took some drawdown, absorption drawdown price, then runs lower, right? Partial, partial, partial. And yeah, done with the day, done with the trade, unless ICT says anything. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something new. If not, or you have any questions, just drop it down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to reply to most of you, or if not all of you guys. But yeah, good luck and good trading, you guys.